believe you are the greatest footballer to ever play the game.
Thank you.
You also know there's a raging debate, right, whether Messi is... I say Messi's not even the best Argentinian. Maradona was better than him. Do you believe you've earned the right to be considered the greatest of all time?
Of course.
Who's the best player of all time?
Lionel Messi.
Lionel Messi.
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 Messi. Messi. Messi.
And I don't care where you're from. I don't care. If you tell me that you love football and you don't love Lionel Messi, you have a problem.
Messi.
Yeah, does he deserve to be called the greatest?
For sure.
When Messi has the ball, 1-1-1, you are dead.
The best is Messi.
Just pass the ball. We are not Messi. No one is Messi.
I take Messi every day.
Number one.